No, see, the Prime Minister of India feels, the Prime Minister of India is almost, frankly, the only person in the country who's under the impression that the Chinese have not taken any land from India. I recently met some ex-army people, and even the Ladakhis have clearly said, delegation from Ladakh clearly said that 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory have been taken over by the Chinese. They also said that many of these patrolling points that used to be in Indian territory are now firmly in Chinese hands. I keep repeating that the approach the government is following by completely denying that the Chinese have taken our land is an extremely dangerous approach and is going to give them confidence to do even more aggressive things. I think the way to deal with the Chinese is to deal with them firmly and to be very clear that they are sitting on our land and it is not something we're going to tolerate.